So I've been trying out some new products in my routine recently, and I found some good stuff that I've been liking, so today I'm going to talk about it. First up, I recently purchased the Fenty Beauty Match Stix Matte Skin Stick in the shade Amber, which is defined as the cool contour shade of the line. This is the first product from Fenty Beauty that I've tried. There's been so much hype around this line, but for some reason, I've held off until now, but I picked this up because, one, I'm always looking for a great contour shade, and this is definitely cool. Like, it looks almost gray when I apply it to my skin, which is perfect because it's hard to find good, cooler contour shades when you are very fair and have cool undertones. I feel like most things skew warm or orangey or bronzy on me. But also I'm about to be doing quite a bit of traveling, as you guys are going to see because I'm going to be vlogging it, and I've been looking for products to cut down the bulk of my makeup bag. So I thought if I get a contour stick and I can blend it in with my fingers, that I'm not packing like a powder compact and a brush. And this is great. It's really creamy. It blends out easily with your fingers or a brush. And I think the packaging is really pretty as well. Next up, I've been trying out the Colorescience Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy with SPF 35. Colorescience is a sponsor I've been working with recently, and this is one of their newest products. And I'm excited about it because it has broad spectrum mineral sunscreen in it. And I've talked in a couple of videos recently about how I've switched to only using mineral sunscreens. So this has zinc and titanium dioxide. It also has a neutral peach tone to it that immediately brightens the eye area and cancels out dark circles. It also has ingredients to treat fine lines and wrinkles and puffiness and dark circles in the long term. It's safe to use on the entire eye area, so I've actually been using it as an eyeshadow primer as well. And it's also meant to be applied both morning and night so that you're getting the anti-aging benefits. It has one of those metal applicators that always feels cold, so it's like soothing and depuffing when you apply it. I'll have a link to this product down below, and if you use the coupon code TOTALEYEAA, you can get a free mascara with your purchase of this. Next, I've been trying out a new brow product from Hourglass. This is the Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this came out at just the right time because I ran out of my Benefit Gimme Brow, which was like my holy grail brow gel, and they discontinued it. The cool thing about this product is the wand. The bristles on one side are longer and the other side they're shorter. This is actually very handy because I'll use the shorter side to deposit product. I find that I get a lot more color from the shorter bristled side, but then I use the long side to like comb it all out and feather it and like fluff up my brows and make them look like ultra groomed. I'll also sometimes use this in combination with the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil if I'm looking for a fuller, more defined brow look. But yeah, this is awesome. I'm the shade Soft Brunette, in case you're wondering. I've also been trying out a new blush. This is from NARS and it is the shade Free Soul. I believe this is a newer release from them, and it's just a nice light pink color. It does have a little bit of like a frosty shimmery finish to it, which I don't usually gravitate toward, but I find that it's not super noticeable and it does look kind of nice on the cheeks. It goes with everything. It gives me a nice flush. I don't know what else I could really say about it, but I'm liking it. Then this last product is one a lot of people have been talking about recently. It is the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat eyeshadow palette. This has a selection of 6 eyeshadows from the regular full-size Naked Heat palette, and I was not very interested in this until I saw it in person. I had seen photos and I thought the colors were going to skew like very orange or very red to where they wouldn't look neutral, but that's actually not the case. All of these colors are really wearable and really, really nice. 5 of them are matte, and then the lightest shade is frosty, which I like so you can get that pop of light in the inner corner or on the brow bone. And I find that they're just warm enough to kind of make your eye color pop. I feel like these types of colors are flattering on every eye shade. I've even been using the darkest shade on an angled brush for a touch of eyeliner. So those are the new products I've been trying out in my routine. If you've tried anything recently, let me know what it is. I will have all these products listed and linked down below if you'd like to check them out. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.